Good evening, my dear students. I welcome you all for today's composite materials class. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the classification of the biocomposites. Okay, in the today's class, I am going to discuss about the classification of the biocomposites. Right. So, dear students, today I am going to discuss about the different types of biocomposites. So, first, what is the biocomposites? This biocomposites is related to the biodegradability. Okay, that actually the biodegradability of composite materials is the ability of the materials to break down naturally into water or carbon dioxide or biomass. Okay, actually the biodegradability of composite material refers to the ability of these materials, that is composite material, ability of composite materials to break down naturally into non-toxic, environmentally benzene substances like water, carbon dioxide, biomass, etc. through the action of microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, algae. So this particular process occurs over time. So this biodegradability will takes time to break down this into water or carbon dioxide or biomass. This takes the time, and this normally occurs naturally in the soil. Okay. So in composite materials, biodegradability is the primarily determined by the nature of the matrix. Okay, actually, like under to lesser extent the reinforcement. Okay, mostly like biocomposite materials. Okay, when we are like if we are using some synthetic composite materials like carbon matrix or glass fiber composites, such type of composites we are using, those are not, we cannot no, break down those things in the water, carbon or dioxide or biomass. It will take no, so many years of time to decompose such type of synthetic fibers. For that, we are going to use the biocomposite materials. These biocomposite materials that most probably the matrix is the major portion. Okay, okay. Whenever you are this they mainly we can determine the biodegradability of the biocomposite materials. That mainly the matrix will influence most of the case. That's why you can telling that here, and lesser amount of reinforcement also it will influence the biocomposite nature. Okay. In biodegradable composites, both the matrix and reinforcement materials are made from the material that can be decomposed naturally. Okay. I already mentioned that decomposing the synthetic matrix materials are okay, or fibers, okay, into water, carbon or carbon dioxide biomass. It will take so many years of time. Okay. So, but to decompose, to avoid that one, we can use the biocomposite material. So, what is the biocomposite material is the where we are going to use the matrix material and reinforcement material. These materials we are going to use the biodegradable materials we are going to use. Okay, so you can use the matrix material, we can use the reinforcement material as the biodegradable materials we are going to use. Okay, that can be easily decomposed naturally, very within less period. You can these reinforcement materials or matrix material which are biodegradable, they can easily decompose into the earth by natural process. That's why we are going to use the biocomposite materials in the different applications. Okay. So what are the components of the biodegradable compounds? The we know that already many composite material there are main two ingredient, two main elements, that is the matrix material. One is the matrix material, another one is the reinforcement. Okay. So here in the like biocomposite, the matrix in biodegradable composite is mainly will made of the biopolymers. We have to use the biopolymer matrix material, which are derived from natural sources like plants. We have to use the matrix resin materials that are derived from the plants or animals or microorganisms. Such type of matrix we have to use. Like one of the examples, some of the examples you can say polylactic acid, PLA. Okay, polylactic acid. One such type of no, like biopolymer resin, or we can use PHA, that is also one type of biopolymer resin, or PCl is one type of like biopolymer resin, or we can use some different plant starch resins also we can use for the as the matrix material for the biocomposite preparation. So these are the different options are available. So while choosing the matrix material, you have to choose the biopolymer material that may be derived naturally from the plants or organ, some different animals. Like some of the examples are PLA, PHA, PCl, or different plant starch material resins we can use as the biopolymer. And second ingredient is the reinforcement. You can use different like natural fibers as the reinforcement. In that also we can use plant-based fibers. You can use the animal fibers. You can use the different biodegradable synthetic fibers also you can use. Plant fibers like flax, jute, hemp, sisal, and cotton. These are the different plant fibers. And you can also use different animal fibers like wool or silk. Okay, you can use different biodegradable synthetic fibers also. Okay, so this is the diagram. This classification is related to the classification of the biocomposites. This is one classification based on the biodegradability, whether you are using the whether it is related to fully biodegradable material you are using or partially biodegradable material you are using. Based on that, this these biocomposites are classified or divided into two different types. One is the partial biodegradable composites and completely biodegradable composites. We already seen that, we mentioned that in the biocomposite material there are two elements or constant elements are there. One is the matrix material. We can use biopolymer as the matrix material, or we can use fibers, different types of plant fibers or animal fibers you can use as the reinforcement. Okay, based on usability, whether you are using only one or whether you are using different both like matrix and reinforcement as the biocomposite. Based on that, what type of biodegradable material, whether we are using matrix only or whether we are using reinforcement only or whether we are using combination of synthetic fibers and biopolymers and biofibers. Based on that biodegradability materials, usage of biodegradability materials, these biocomposites are mainly classified as partial biodegradable composite materials and completely biodegradable composite materials. So these partial biodegradable composite materials again classified as it is bio where in partial biodegradable materials it is again subclassified into two different types. One is the biofiber plus non biodegradable polymer. And other one is the synthetic fiber plus biodegradable polymer. Okay, so if it is a biodegradable, partially biodegradable, so partial means maybe you can use matte biopolymer as matrix material, and fiber you can use carbon fiber, you can use glass fiber as the reinforcement. Such type comes under the like partial biodegradable. The first classification is the biofiber plus non-biodegradable polymer. For example, we may use like different biopolymer, plant-based resins. We can use as the matrix, that is biofiber as the matrix material, and like we can sorry here I will correct here, like for example, like partial biodegradable materials, say one class subclassification is the biofiber plus non biodegradable polymer. Here biofiber is related to the reinforcement. Okay, we can use like pineapple fiber, we can use banana fiber. These are the plant based fibers, so we can use those such type of biofiber with the matrix material. Like we can use normal like epoxy resin as the matrix material. Such type comes under the like biofiber plus non-biodegradable polymer. Here in this particular classification, we are using the like normal uh, like synthetic materials as the matrix materials, non-biodegradable materials as the matrix material, and biomaterials, that is biofibers like plant-based fibers or animal-based fibers, you can use as the fiber reinforcement. Such type comes under the this first classification, biofiber plus non-biodegradable polymer. And other classification is related to the synthetic fiber plus biodegradable polymer. So here in the early in this particular case we are using the biofibers like pineapple fiber or banana fibers or different other plant based fibers or animal based fibers. But the synthetic fiber we are going to use like different fibers like glass fibers, we can use carbon fibers, we can use aramid fibers. Such types comes under the synthetic fiber, and we are going to use the biodegradable polymers. We can use different plant resins or animal resins, you can use as the matrix material. Such things comes under this particular second classification in the partially biodegradable materials. So in these both things you can see that either matrix material or either reinforced material you can use as the one element or one material you can use as the like biodegradable material, and other material will be a non-biodegradable material. Such type of classification comes under the partial biodegradable material. So another one is comes under the completely biodegradable materials. Completely biodegradable material. What is completely biodegradable means? Already mentioned that mainly biocomposites mainly consists of the matrix and reinforcement. So in this completely biodegradable means you have to use both matrix and reinforcement materials, both the materials as materials only, biodegradable materials only. Okay, you don't have to use the synthetic fibers or synthetic other like matrix material. Such type of things comes under the completely biodegradable materials. These completely biodegradable materials again subclassified as the biofiber plus biodegradable polymers and biofibers plus petro-based biodegradable polymers. So this completely biodegradable materials are subclassified as the biofiber. In addition to that, we are using the biodegradable polymer. This biofiber is the reinforcement and biodegradable polymer is the matrix. In the second one, biofiber is the reinforcement and petro-based biodegradable polymers we are using as the matrix material. This is the second classification. These both the matrix and reinforcement materials are related to the biodegradable materials only. And some other advanced materials is the hybrid biocomposites. Okay, where we can blend the different fibers we can mix. For example, we can take if it is a partially biodegradable material, okay, partially biodegradable hybrid composite I want to manufacture. Then it is hybrid. Hybrid means I can use multiple layers of fibers or multiple matrix resins I can use. Okay. Then such type of blend formation gives the hybrid biocomposite material. Okay. In the okay, for example, I can say that I can use biofiber plus non-biodegradable polymer. Non-biodegradable polymer means I can have to use synthetic matrix. That like for example, I can take epoxy and hardener as the matrix materials. Okay, and biofiber as the reinforcement. So in non-biodegradable polymer, I can use epoxy as the matrix material, and biofiber I want to make it as hybrid. More than one reinforcement, I have to use the biodegradable biofiber. I have to use. I can use, for example, pineapple fiber. I can combine with the banana fiber. So different layers. One layer of banana fiber. Over that I can add the epoxy resin, and over that I will add the one layer of pineapple fiber. Over that I will add the one layer of no polymer, that is epoxy resin. Over that again add the different like polymer resin, over that banana fiber resin, again over that banana fiber, pineapple fiber, like that different you know alternatively I am placing the like biofiber. Such things comes under the hybrid biocomposites. That's how these particular composite materials are classified based on their particular you can see how we can their biodegradability, the how the composite materials are classified based on their biodegradability. Whether you are using like the one material, like whether you are using only reinforcement only or only matrix material as the biodegradable material in the composite manufacturing, then it is known as the partial biodegradable composite material. If I am using both the matrix material and reinforcement material as the biodegradable material, then such type of composite comes under the completely biodegradable biocomposite material. If it is a hybrid composite, I can use different blends of more than one blend of matrix or more than one blend of reinforcement materials as the biocomposites. Then such type of composite material comes under the hybrid composite. Hope I think you understand about the classification related to the biocomposites. That's it for today. Thank you. Thank you once again.